Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our project, and in this video we're going to build a rock paper scissors game in Python. This is one of the most popular beginner games to do in Python. So let's start by importing the random model. The random model lets a computer pick a random value for that. So now let's write import random. It just picks a random number, which is perfect for our game because it's rock paper scissors and it's in random. So we also create a list called choices, where we have three possible moves: rock, paper and scissor. So let's open up our bracket, write rock, close it. Oh, it's like these strings. It's two strings. It has to be two strings. Then comma, then paper, and scissors. And then we have to need the player's move. So we will have input. So us, the player, will input rock, paper or scissors. So okay, let's start by writing user equals input, open a bracket, and in bracket we're going to write rock, paper or scissors, question mark, and then we put string and close our brackets and write dot lower. So for example, if I write it all in capital letters or all in small, it will still be counted, so that like there will be no mistakes. And next, now it's our computer's turn. We will use the random choice, so the computer can choose also. So let's create a variable named comp equals random dot choice from our choices. We created our variable, now our list choices, and now it's gonna choose from our choices. And then we write print computers computer chose colon, and then close our string, comma, comp. So it shows what our computer chose. So okay, next we it's the most important part. We have to look which of us won. For example, the computer chose paper and I chose rock, so the computer wins. So let's write an if statement. If user and comp are equal, for example, if my choice and the computer's choice is equal, we have to print it is equal. But then else if it's not that, let's open up our bracket, user equals rock. For example, if I chose rock, close the string, and computer equals scissors, close our brackets, or write like this, not this one, or user or user. Okay, now let's just copy it. Just copy it so it will not take too long. Or user equals scissors, and computer equals paper, or again, or let's copy it and write or user equals paper, and computer equals rock. Then print no wait, I forgot the colon. Print, open up our brackets and write U1 and 3 exclamation marks for drama. Close it up, and next we write else print you lose. So okay guys, now let's run it. Okay, rock, paper or scissors. I choose rock. Computer chose scissors. You won. So okay guys, this was all for rock, paper, scissors. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.